It started with an idea. You take an empty piece of land and turn it into something more, something livable, something useful, something complete. And through design, dirt, finishes, we're finally done. The doors are in, lights work, the water runs, and this place, this structure, is finally ready to be called a home. This is the 5th and final episode of our ADU series. Last time, we had just finished closing up the walls and the waterproofing was done. We were getting ready to start the finishing phase. We started with tile in the bathroom, floor to ceiling in the shower, and a clean layout on the bathroom floor. Simple, durable, and waterproof. Exactly what you want in a space like this. Remember, don't skimp on the waterproofing. We also did tile on the laundry room floor. Same thing, durability first, no shortcuts. Then we installed all the flooring. This is a luxury vinyl plank. It's water resistant, scratch resistant, low maintenance, and it looks great. Perfect choice for an ADU. Kitchen cabinets and countertop are fully installed as well. All the doors and the drawers are soft close. The slab is quartz. It's simple, clean, and built to last. And the kitchen backsplash finishes off the whole look. It pulls the upper cabinets and countertop together and gives it a clean, finished feel. For this house, we went with something super unique on the backsplash, a mirrored subway tile. We also installed all the appliances, the fridge, the oven, the microwave, the dishwasher, washer and dryer. Everything's connected, everything's tested, everything works, and is ready for daily use. Then we wrapped it all up with the finished plumbing and electrical. Sinks, faucets, shower fixtures, toilets, all in and working. Light fixtures, outlets, switches, exhaust fans, it's all done. So that's it. The ADU is done, top to bottom, tile, trim, paint, plumbing, electrical, everything. It's been a long process, but the end result is a clean, fully functional home. If you've been following along since the beginning, I hope this helped you understand what it really takes to build an ADU. And if you're planning on your own, good luck and take your time, every detail matters. This is the final episode of the series, but if you got questions or want to see more, drop a comment. And if you're building in the Bay Area, let's talk. I'll see you on the next one.